Hi there, students. To lynch, a verb. A lynching, the noun. Very often a lynch mob or lynch law. Okay, let's see. A lynch mob is a crowd of people who are intent on lynching somebody. Okay, so to lynch, the crowd, the mob believe that someone is guilty of a crime and they kill them without trial, usually by hanging them with a rope around the neck. Yeah, so they hang them. A lynch mob. So something bad has happened. There's been a nasty crime, and a group of people believe they've caught the culprit, and they just take this person out and hang them. Yeah, a lynch mob, to lynch, and this is the idea of to lynch, to kill somebody who hasn't been found guilty legally of something. So it's an execution without authority, without legal process. Yeah, for something this person has done. Okay, so a lynch mob. Yeah, to punish a person for a supposed offence. I use the word supposed because there hasn't been a legal trial. Okay, a lynching is where this happens. So you might see the this in, for example, a cowboy film where they find one of the people who is thought to be guilty of a murder, and the townspeople just take this person out and hang them from a tree. Yeah. Okay, so lynching. This is like a kangaroo court. A kangaroo court is a court that is not official. Yeah. But a lynch mob, normally they don't even have the restraint to hold a mock trial or a kangaroo court. They just go straight ahead and hang the person because they're convinced that this person is guilty. Yeah, it's the people who do it, they're effectively backed by a mob, a large group of unruly people. Yeah, called a lynch mob. You'll particularly find this phrase used in cowboy films and things like that. You can also use this word more metaphorically. So, I don't know, if I don't go into work tomorrow, even though it's Sunday, my workmates are going to lynch me. Well, they're not going to lynch me, but they're going to be very angry with me. Yeah, if I'm late home tonight and miss the party, my family will lynch me. So very often they use this metaphorically, meaning to be very angry with someone. I think a good synonym of this is to string someone up. Yeah. Yeah, my family will string me up if I don't arrive on time tonight. And this is the idea of lynching. Let's see, to lynch. Formality, I think I'm going to give it a 5. I think you could use it just about anywhere. I think if you use it metaphorically, though, I would use it only informally with metaphoric meanings. Okay? And then as to origin, well, there's a phrase, Lynch law, but some people claim it's after a William Lynch, and others claim it's after a Charles Lynch. Probably Charles Lynch, who was a justice of the peace during the American War of Independence, and presided over kangaroo courts to hang British supporters when they were caught. Okay, so a lynch mob, to lynch. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To lynch, a lynch mob, a lynching. to kill someone to normally hang somebody up from a tree to string them up without a trial because the mob just believes that they are guilty. Bye.